Good evening, student. Now 12 students are login. Now I take the one backup file from you. Naveen, Naveen, tell your cam number. Hello, Naveen.
188.
118.
Yeah, 88. So 188. 188.
88.
Yeah.
188. Right. Now you have a one backup file. October 6. This is the last one, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I take your one? You are 18A, no?
18A EXP, sir.
This group, no? Okay. Right. Now I open the I can't open your backup file. Wait, give me 1 minute. Okay, I take the 003. Who's the 003? The belongings to you? Tell your name. 003. Not yet login by that student. I'll take your copy. Yeah? Right. Now, student, today we'll start on the new chapter to recording on expenditures, including the purchase order and GRN and return, supplier payment, and purchase of fixed assets. That section will be covered on this chapter. Have you ready by all? Can I start by your comment? Raise your hand. Agreed. Only few students are agreed. Others? How about others? Right. Then we will start. Student, based on your request, I decide to conduct the lectures on online. Otherwise, if you are missing on the lectures, that may be a problems to you in the final exam. Don't know. Who's the Naveen? You are the group leader, no? Class leader?
No, sir. It's Nissan.
Nisal, no? Yes, Nisal. Yes, Nisal. Everybody had agreed on to conduct on the online with the small changes in your timetable by the Nihal sir to get the physical classes and turn off the subjects to the online mode. But still log in by the people here, 14 students, including me, and 13 students are in the class. Right. Anyway, due to my time constraint, I will start my session. Now, student, you look at the. Okay, thank you. Look at the purchase order process. In the purchase order process, there are two types of purchase orders. Because this selected organization, SAP Cricket Club, is the service-oriented company. In the service-oriented company, the value purchased on the, what do you call that, item purchase and service purchase, getting on the service. So you have to be develop two type of orders, service order and the item order. First I teach you to recording on the item order, the purchase order by item. When you look at the transaction number 1, order number PO001. In the order number PO001, the given the detail on the basically the supplier detail. Already this supplier item, everything are in our database. The supplier Prime Sport Import Private Limited with the invoice number 001. The date of your the reporting period by month of April. You have to be completed even your projects as well for the 1 month transaction. If you select your conversion month April, the transaction should be recorded for the month of April and May or month of April. If you select on the September in the conversion month, the transaction should be on the month of September. Right, now this transaction on 5th April in the conversion month purchase order for the following item. 100 item each of type handle. 300 handle in total. 3 item we ordered with the 100 quantity, 300 total handle. First one RP card handle. The unit price given on 400. If you take on the box price, then multiply by the 100 including here 8,000 for the box price. Per item 400. Per item here 250, box price 5,000. And 350 and 7,000. The additional detail given here in the transaction, applicable VAT 15%. Some organization are applied on VAT in the purchase. Some organization are exempted. You decide by your project and the practically applied in your company whether you are recording on the VAT component with VAT or without VAT. We call inclusive VAT and exclusive VAT. I'll show the place. Check the credit limit of the supplier. Because of that, sometimes if you put this total order, this is a little bit high quantity, the supplier credit limit is exceeded. So you have to get the permission from your supplier and your top level management to execute it on these transactions. Exceed the balance, get approval from the supplier and amend the company credit policy by the directors. Right. Now I would like to record this transaction on here. Shall I maximize the screen or this size can be managed in your computer? Nisal? Hello, Puta?
I think this size is okay, sir.
Right. Perfect. Nice. Right. Now, first you go to the here purchases module. Purchases. Then enter purchase. Enter purchase. Right. Student, this is the purchase order form. Then click on here drop down list, cart, order, and bill. There's a 3 option. I select the order, PO, purchase order. right? Then select the supplier given on the list, prime spot. Look at here, these students does not having the detail of balances. The prime spot private limited is a basic supplier. Anyway, use supplier. Who's belonging to the 003? Nisal? No idea.
No idea, sir.
No idea. Good. Purchase order number. Put 001. Then the date should be changed. 23. The month of April. 4th month. And date should be changed 05. 5th April. Invoice number INV 001. INV 001. Right. First, you look at the way of change the layout. Here, layout option. Look at here under the application layout order. Here, different layouts: service layout, item layout, professional order, and miscellaneous order. There's a 4 option in the My Org. Now I select item layout. Then click OK. Item layout. If you want to select on the service layout, select service layout, OK. Then change the appearance. This time, select on item order. Right. In the item order, enter a received quantity. Actually, received means order quantity, 100. Click on tab button. Tab. Again tab. Select here item. What is the item? RP cord handle, RP rubber handle, RP wood handle. RP, select from here. RP cord handle. My goodness. This student actually who's belonging to this company. No detail at the moment. Item purchase. Fortunately, look at here, not set in by everything. Then otherwise they automatically come on this detail. Then 400 per unit. 400 per unit. Then no discount, 40,000. No specific job. Look at here. Whether you decide tax inclusive price or tax, then automatically activate the tax inclusive. You look at here. 18% tax. Then again given here INV 001. Second row. 100 item. RP wood handle. Rubber handle. No? RP rubber handle. Unit price 250. Applicable on VAT. Next. 100 of RP wood handle. This student not complete the classroom activity on the same day. 350. 35,000. Student complete this basic detail. Any questions? You're on your mic. Tell about your your problems or your issues or whatever the inconvenience. You have to be communicate with me. Right. Then select the sale comment, purchase comment, maybe thank you. Then mode of receiving the item may be air freight, best way, courier, freight, international, like this. And another one more thing, you can add the new what do you call that, delivery mode. Select the courier method. Then the promise date. Student, this PO raised by April 5th. According to the past experience, supplier promised to send this item maybe before the 7th. 7th April 2023. This is called a promise date. Next, applicable on freight charges to send this item, right? Maybe 500 rupees as a freight charge. Then freight also inclusive on VAT. In the second transaction, I teach by paid today. Right. After complete on basic detail, click on record. Record. Then display the message. No EBN TPN number. Would you like to change the tax code? No. Record. Then click on here register. Okay. Register. Go to the order tab. No detail. Customize your period from 23 April. Now display April 1st. This transaction on April 5th. No. This transaction display prime spot import private limited amount on 100,500 with the promise date of April 7th. Where in the order status, click on here code section, no codes outstanding, no bill outstanding, still bills also outstanding. And this student create one more bills, but here order status outstanding on one purchase order. Complete. Hello. Oh. Right, complete. Any questions? Right, then close this report in the order status. Now, cancel all transactions. Go to the next. Order number 2, supplier, same supplier. Prime spot for invoice number 2. Purchase order for the following item on the same day. Same day mean April 5th. 100 type of blades. Altogether total in 400 blades. Willow wood blade, white willow wood blade, aluminium metal blade, reinforced polymer blade. Here, directly you earn on the freight charges 500 rupees with the VAT component. Shall we record this one? Again, go to the purchase module, enter purchase. Okay, student, is it okay? Nisal and all,
Okay, sir.
please respond you. Otherwise, difficult to complete on the module, whether you understand or not. Therefore, please react me. Right. From here, select on order option and change the appearance color. Then select a prime spot, use supply. Now you look at here. Now different window will be open. Read this window. Select an existing order or a quote edited for this supplier or create the new purchase. That means the system will display a pending purchase order. Understand? The previously we create the one purchase order. If you select on this pending PO, the system recognize that this should be converted this purchase order into the GRA or maybe your invoice. If you want to create a new fresh purchase order, click here cancel. Got this point? Then press order. IN PO002 change. PO002. Same date with the INB002. Invoice 2. Clear? Switch on your mics. Then easily we can complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Respond me. Right. Others. Not only Nissan. Right. Then here type the quantity and item. Each item 100 blade item. 100 blade. Willow wood blade. Willow wood blade. Use this item. Unit price 500 each. Per blade 500. 50,000. Inclusive on VAT. Number 2. 100 item of white willow blade. Unit price 450. 45,000. Okay. Third one. Inclusive on VAT. Third one. 100 item of polymer blade. Aluminium blade. No. Look at the item. Aluminium blade. 100 item of aluminium blade. On 575. 575. 57,500. 100 item. Last one. Blade item. Polymer blade. Polymer blade. 650. Complete. Select on your comment, ship method, and promise date. We'll put 08 April 2023. Promise date. After 1 day. Back. Right. Look at here. Now I put here 500 on freight. Now altogether, the gross amount 217,500 and 218,000 on after charging on freight. Now there's a different function called paid today function. The paid today in the sense when you ordered by these 4 items from the prime spot, the supplier request at least you have to pay for the some amount, maybe 50,000. 50,000. Then click on tab button. The net due balance will be deducted. Got this point? Then the outstanding on 168. Then record. No, not change the VAT. Sorry, tax. Then ask to write the check. If you are paying on through the check, the system asks to write the check. Then I say no check. What happened? Goes to the original. Then record. Then no. Then you click OK. The system automatically with the check number right from your bank account. Again, click on register. Now in the order tab, 2 pending purchase order. Look at the first one. The total amount outstanding. With the amount due also 100,500. But in the second scenario, 218,000 total, but net amount outstanding on 168,000. From the first 2 transactions, I try to give this knowledge. How to record the transaction with full outstanding and recording on transaction with the part of outstanding. That means part of payment, part payment. Click on here on the bill. Still no, this item will be coming to the bill. After GRN, this item and invoice this item, the order status, these are the status. Quotation status, order status, open bill status, that means invoice status, return and debit like this, pay bill option. There are different stages available. Right. Cancel all. Then next one. PO 001. Full order was received. Look at the word. Received the full order. On 7th April 23. Check the item and accepted by the storekeeper. Right. Record on this transaction. Go to the enter purchase. Now look at here, there's a different option called bill option. Select bill option. Automatically activated on the bill option. From here, select the supplier prime spot. Use supplier. There's a two pending order. Two pending purchase orders. Look at here. Purchase order, purchase order. Same day with the different PO number. Select the correct PO number and click use purchase. Then open by the original order. Then change the date in the GRN date April 7. With the other modification, no modification actually in the first transaction, only change the date. Now you click on, look at the very specifically in option called bill option. Click on this bill option. And additionally, system will create a column, back order column. Back order mean you ordered 100. Sometimes suppliers send 80 items. Back order in 20. You ordered 100, received 95, then the back order 5, like this. Now look at here, received the full quantity. Received full quantity. Then no back order. Then don't put the amount in here, back order column. Receive the full quantity. After selecting here invoice, now it is disappear. With the same detail or different detail, you click on, Sudan, you have to be keep your mind. Originally, this 100,500 in the order status. Now look at it. Record. Would you like to change the tax code? No, 18%. This purchase predated. Oh, because of the system run on the today days, no, predated. Done. Then now you click on here register. In the order status, now 100,500 amount remove, disappear, close from the order status. Now where? This is in the bill option. Look at here, 100,500 in the open bill option. Is it okay by all?
Yes, sir.
Nisal? Hello, Nisal?
Yes, sir.
You are Rasika or Nisal?
Nisal Ransika.
Nisal Ransika.
Yes.
Ransika, normally your class having 28 members, no?
20 members, sir.
20 members. From the 20 members, only 13 members are logging. From today, I will given, actually you decide on conducting on the online lectures. There is some kind of controls. Some kind of
Yes.
control in the sense, given on the group activity by the group members, you have to be actively participate on the group activity. Yeah? Otherwise, from here, from today, in my side, I will maintain the attendance and allocated for the mark for the participant. Others are 0 mark. Right.
Okay.
Then close. Cancel. Look at the next transaction. This is the full order. Now I explain you part order with the back order. In the April 8, received the following quantity, checked and accepted by the storekeeper. Originally ordered 100 item of wood blade, received the 100. Understood? Ordered 100 item below grade, only received the 70, 80 and 100 with the different prices. Right, where is it? Go to the enter purchase. Enter purchase. Click on here bill option, automatically activate bill option. Supplier prime spot. Now activated on the pending PO. Select PO, use purchase. Change the date by April 8. We get a promise date also 8. Click on bill option, bill. Now change the status from order to bill option. Here back order, ordered 100, received 100 with the 500. Correct.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Puta?
Sorry for disturbing.
No,
How
no,
to get
no.
that?
Sorry?
How to get that apply to date?
Apply to date mean?
That apply to date 50,000.
Yes. Here, not from here. The already we applied. Apply to date mean 50,000 in the original order. From
Okay.
218,000 we paid 50,000.
I didn't enter that. How to enter that?
Now you can't enter. Now you continue. Look at the way in the next transaction I will show you. In the one stage you missed to enter the transaction by this 50,000. From here you can't enter.
Okay.
What's your name, Buddha?
Selvi.
Selvi. You understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now in the second line, that's why I told you on the online discussion not easy. If you missing on something, some part, you have to be studied a little bit hardly because I am not available in front of you. Right. Here next one, only receive 70 item. The number of item back order, how much? Tell me. Back order quantity. 70. 70. Is it correct? No one answers. Jivanta?
Yes, sir.
You are in there, no?
Yes.
What's your name? Kumara Peli.
Yeah.
Yes, Kumara Peli. Have you entered here 70? Is it correct?
Yes, 70.
No, 30. Because Jivanta received 70 mean backward 30. Okay, Jivanta?
Balance part, no?
Balance part. Yes, correct. Balance part. Then go to the unit price. Not 450. Supply increase the price 500. Stage by stage, you have to do the small modifications to the original order. Next. Originally ordered by 100, received by 80. Back order? Jivanta? 20. 20.
20.
Yes, correct. 20. Then amount increased by the supplier 600. In the last one, ordered 100, received by 100, and the amount 650. Correct. Everyone okay? Right. Now, record. No change the tax. Predated mean actually this is a live system, no? System indicate that the transaction is predated. Click on register. Now disappeared from here. Look at the transaction. Student, what do you mean by 27,000? Do you want to tell me? You are the experienced person, no? Others?
Balance amount to be received.
Yes, you are correct. The 30 item and 20 item backorder quantity multiplied by unit price that will be displayed on the pending PO. Got this my point? Correctly you identify the how the system records the transaction. The balance part forwarded to the open bill status 225,000. From here 175,000 outstanding on bill. Got this point? Got this point? Not response.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we complete the true transaction. Review this true transaction again. PO1 transport ordered by 100 item handle 100 for 300. Then the receive the full quantity by April 7. One transaction. Second transaction, PO number 2, each of 100 item blades ordered by 4 items, then received by 170, 80 and 100, part of the ordered amount. Now I teach you how to recording on payment, the supplier payment. Look at here. In the supplier payment, the first one in the PO01, we paid on a check amount by 50,000 from our Sampath Bank, paid on a check number with the 50% on 15 April. Right. Go to the purchase order, pay bill option, separate option, pay bill. By default, activate on your Sampath Bank. At any time you can change your bank. Look at it. There are other banks also available. Actually, I want to find out the student name 003 in the class. What do you call the mid exam given by the different banks, but these students not create this bank POC and all. At the any moment, you can change your bank account from some part to commercial, some part to HNB, some part to people like this. Activated. Before that, you look at the activated default account. Pay from account. Then select the supplier. Supplier prime is for. Student, only I received the 3 item. But in your case, more than the 3 item. Given the your, you know?
Yes, sir.
Nisa, because of that, you may having a long outstanding balances. Beginning balances, no? Is it there, no?
Yes, sir.
Realize that this student not completed transaction properly in the classroom activity. Then here give the check number 100, 300. Change the date of check 5/23. April 15. Correctly set on the check count. Right. How many checks? How many pending? 3 pendings are here. Actually, your case 6 pendings are here. Opening 3 and transaction 3. Now you select the correct invoice. First invoice. 100,500 into 50%. 50,000 to 50. Understood? Then out of balance minus 50,000 to 50. Now you click on here amount gauge, automatically identify the amount. Then click on tab. Now this 50,000 goes to the total paid. Then out of balance 0. Until to out of balance 0, don't click on record. Then create the suspense. Right. Then record. Go to the register. Select the period from 23 April 1st. Now you look at student 50,000 to 50 paid. Outstanding on 50,000. Then your bank balance goes to the minus 100,000 rupees. මේ students මුකුත් දාලා නැහැ මම මෙයාව ගන්නෙ නැහැ මම මෙයාව අයින් කරනවා මේ project එකකිනුත්. Because of that, look, even no more balances in the bank account. And also you get a journal entry. Click on journal. Summarize the period. Journal entry is there. Right, complete. This transaction actually these students was created. Done. Next one. 20th April, paid 40% from the total outstanding supplier prime check number. Same check number. No, please change the one character 100, 301 like this. Right. Again, pay bill, Sampat Bank, pay to the prime. Now look at here. Outstanding reduced on the first bill. Select on here 175,500. Open your calculator. Look at it. Search calculator. Type here calculator. Then open your calculator. Right. Calculate 175,500 into 40%. 70,200. Type here. 70,200. Not in the first one, in the second one. Then click on amount and tab. Amount and tab. Okay. Then remove the difference and goes to the year total paid. Record. Go to the journal. Now new journal entry. Debit on creditor and credit on your current account. Change the status by bank payment. Actually, look at here column heading withdrawal column. Withdrawal means payment. Right. Complete. Right. Now I'll give the 5 minutes to you. Record on this transaction. Record on this transaction. Complete? Jivan okay?
No, sir. You're
No.
not yet.
Okay. Complete. How about others? Nisal?
Is completing, sir.
Complete. Chamika? Gayani? Silva? Nisal?
Yes, sir.
Have you put the breakout room from here, Teams, in the more option? කට්ටිය divide කරන්නේ groups වලට.
මම නැත්නම් දන්නේ නැහැ සර් කියලා.
කවුද කිව්ව ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ group එකේ පුළුවන් කියලා? මේ gallery එකෙන් නෑ මම දන්නේ නැහැ teams වල කොහොමද දාන්නේ. together mode ඉන්නේ 4 people අපි බලමු පොඩ්ඩක්. Anyone knows how you divide the groups? More option ද මේකේ? Add, share, display, full screen. Right, anyway, I'll check. Anyone can check the how to create the breakout room from Microsoft Teams in the YouTube? Check and confirm me. Right, anyway, until that I am recording this transaction. One boy you or girls you check the YouTube, put it on the breakout room. Actually, I don't know the breakout room in the my Teams. Normally I use in a Zoom. Right, in the purchase order tree, supplier Sachin Sport. Until that you look at the YouTube video. 20 pairs of Platina convertible Puma cricket shoe, 10 items of Adidas cricket shoe, 10 items of Nike cricket shoe. Right. We'll record. Enter purchase. Order option. Supplier Sachin. Right. PO number 3. Date of purchased on April 11th. INV003. Change the layout. Layout, item, okay. Then received 20 pairs of cricket shoe, Puma cricket shoe. 20 Puma cricket shoe. Puma cricket shoe. Unit price. Here manually I entered 2,500 per pair. Right. Next. 10 pairs of Adidas 1008. 10 pairs of Adidas cricket shoe. Select the correct item. Unit price on 1,800. Last one. 10 item of Nike cricket shoe. 10 item of Nike cricket shoe. 3,200. Complete. Purchase order. Then record this purchase order. The total amount 100,000. Record. No change the tax code. Complete. Look at your transaction recorded in the order status. Yes, in the Sachin spot, order recorded. In the order status. Then go to the next transaction. from the same supplier, actually send item and company received with the GRN good received 10 item, 10 item and 5 item with the different prices, with the different prices. Record. Enter purchase, invoice, Sachin. Then display the pending order. Change the date. In the original order 11, but this transaction not given in the date 12. Select 12th, 12. Then the INV 003. Where? Tell me. Select on bill option. Then in between these two received and num item, create the back order quantity. Entered on back order. Received on 10 item, 10 item, 5 item. 10 item received mean 10 item back code. 10 item received mean no back code. Next one 5 item received on 5 item back code. Modified the prices. 2,600. Then 1,800, no change the price, 3,500, change the price here, 3,500. Got this point? Only two back orders. Right. Record this transaction. Note exchanges, predated, okay. Record. Click on here, journal. Not purchased. In the disbursement, 70,200. Actually, not this one, purchase, actually, purchase. Look at the purchase in the journal. Four item, no? Sachin spot. Right? And also you get the your register, open bill in the Sachin spot. Right. Record on the GRN. Then the payment. April 13th, get invoice from supplier INV5. Actually, not INV5. This is actually INV. Okay, doesn't matter. Change to the INV3 to INV5. Doesn't matter. And record the invoice payment bill 20th. From the Sampath Bank, check number amount at 40% outstanding. Right. Record. Go to the pay bill from Sampath Bank, Sachin spot, 100,500. From the original, and there's a backcode also. Then take on this amount. Before that, to change the actually check number 200 250 in the date on April 20th. No, 40%. Calculate the 40%. Open your calculator. Not difficult. 105 into 40. 42,000. Type here 42,000. Then click on amount. Tap. Right. Record. 42,000. Record on 42,000. And also this come under the withdrawal 42,000. All right. Right. Complete the partially complete on the recording on the item purchase. Here, item layout, item purchase. Now I turn to the service layout order. Before the service layout order, now I do the small activity to you. This transaction. Go to the transaction number 9. This transaction. Record on this transaction by you. Transaction number 9. And complete by all. This is also item purchase. Identify the item purchase. Here given 60 lever wood and cricket bats in 2 model. Actually, don't be talking about the model. Because of I entered this transaction, some organization having a different models. Model 1, model 2, model A, model B, like this. Right? Forget about the model. Anyhow, you recorded 60 items. Forget about the 30 item, model 1 and 2. Now I actually muted my phone because of the in my area it's a bit raining and shouting to you. So I'll mute on my mic. You continue. I'll be there. Is it complete? Students? Shall I record this transaction? No one respond. No. Hello, student. Are you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Are you complete?
No, still.
Okay. How about others? Only respond by the Nisal and the Jeevantano. Right. Can I start to record this transaction PO09 for recording on the transaction item purchase? This is the last one recorded by me in the item purchase. Malinga Bats and Balls Private Limited, date 15 April 23. Right. Go to the enter purchase. From here, drop down list, order status, purchase order. Select here Malinga Bats and Balls, PO009. Date on 13, no? Yeah, no, 15th. 15th. You carefully handle the date. INV 09. Right. Next. 60 item. 60 item. Yeah, actually given not 9. 14. No. Change. 14th. INV 14. We also change 14. 60 item of, sorry. 60 item of liver and wood cricket bats in two models. There are some models maintained by the companies, but in this question only I show the reality. There are some models available, but transaction recorded on by based on the one model 60 item. 60 item cricket bat, liver wood cricket bat. This one. Select the correct item, liver wood cricket bat. Unit price per item. Look at here. Price per dozen 1,500 into 12 doesn't include in the 12 item. 18,000. Now we are recording the one item, single item. One item 1,500. Bats. One bat. 90,000 altogether. Then next one, MRF cricket bat. Here also two models, model A and the model B. But we recorded on one model, 60 item. MRF cricket bat. 60 item of MRF cricket bat. Where the MRF cricket? Here. MRF cricket bat. Unit price per item 1,575. Inclusive, look at it. If you remove the stigma, no taxes will be applied. Right? If you put inclusive tax price, you identify the difference. Inclusive tax price, exclusive tax price, like this. Then third one, 60 item of Bradbury cricket bats. Bradbury cricket bats. Unit price of this bat 1,575. Same price. No, different. 1,650. 1,650. Last one. 60 item of, okay, 60 item of A sport bat. A sport cricket bat. Unit price 1,800. Sorry, yes, 1,800. Right, no discount. If you are getting on the discount, you can add on discount here. Complete. Fill this basic detail. Complete the task. We'll look at it. Actually, we'll charge on 500 for rounding amount. 500. Then $392. Total out. Right. Then click on record. No tax changes. Record on the order status. Right. Then next, GRA. Received the following item on 17 April. Record the transaction from the 60-40, from the 60-50, like this. Right. Record. Wood cricket bat. Go to the bill option. Then supplier. Malinga. Supplier Malinga. Pending PO. It's called pending PO. Purchase order. Select this PO. Either you change the PO number or maintain the same number. Right. Then change the date by 17th April. Change it. 17th April. Then click on bill option. Bill option. From the bill option, back order. Ordered by 60 item, received by 40 item. 20 item on back order in the first case. Second one. Look at the price as well. 1,500. Here 1,600. 1,600. Ordered 60 item. Received on 50 item. 1,750. 10 back order. 1,750. Third one. Ordered by 60, received by 60, no back order, quantity price on 1,800. Change only price 1,800. Different transaction. Next, ordered 60, received 60, price on 2,000. Change the price. Understood? In the two scenario, change the quantity with the back order and the price. In the second two case, no back order, but prices will be increased by the supplier. Then click on record. No text changes, predated. Alright. Look at your journal. Sachin Malinga, no? Here, Malinga. This transaction. Close. Look at your payment. No, not payment. No, actually, this is on the open bill status. Malinga backs and bonds. Next one. Payment on bill. 26. Settle the 50% with the 3,000 commission. We'll look at the commission settlement. Right. Go to the pay bill. Malinga backs and balls. Now, change your date. 26, no? Yes. 26th. In front of this amount, first you enter the commission discount by 3,000. Then reduce the originally to 429, now reduce 426. 50%. Calculate the 50%. 426. 426, 500 into 50%. 213, 250. $213,250. Then the different 213. Then click on here amount and tab button. Click on tab. Then record. And now you look at the journal. Payment to Malinga Bats and Balls.